Will you hold still? You know what they say, no pain, no perm.
Yum! Is that dragonfly pie I smell?
That's right. And your favorite ice cream, too, Rocky Toad.
Marilyn, do this. Marilyn, do that.
Man, do this. Man, do that.
Oh, go sandpaper your nose.
Hi, Little Lakins!
Oh, Hermie, I'm so glad you're home. This house has been an asylum today.
And I missed it? Darn!
That is your mess. You have to clean it up. Achoo!
Blessende Schnasen.
Thank you, Grandpa. Marilyn, clean the kitchen and set the table. Oh, thank you, dear.
What is that?
My laugh track.
Well, I don't believe in canned laughter. If something isn't funny, then it shouldn't get a laugh. Now that's funny.
What's happening?
Well, Lillian, I think you're getting sick.
Oh, that can't be. I'm a witch.
Well, maybe you should call a witch doctor.
I don't need you. I'm making my own cure. Spirit of Combine and of Teasel. No more sniffles, no more sneezels. Done. I've conjured up a cure for the common cold.
扎特维多利亚，最近气候多变化，日夜温差大，所以呢，我特别替你预备了鸳鸯围巾。
哦，我自己来就好了。
没关系嘛，来嘛，我来嘛。又奇怪了，怎么才一下子就风云变色啊？
大家好，因为千静老师代表学校去上海参加会议，所以今天的魔药学课就由我维多利亚老师来帮大家代课喽。
哦，好啊。
哎，但要小心哦，它的味道非常的呛鼻。
哦。哇，哇，好呛鼻啊！
好气！
对不起，我不是故意的啦。
患了猛暴型个性突发症，只要一打喷嚏，个性就会180度大转变。不过你们放心，现在的我是正常的。
बहुत रेयर है। Oh, Jin Lord, save me! Achoo! Achoo!
चिकनी क्वीन, ये अरे ओ ये क्या है? ये स्वाइन फ्लू नहीं है जो मुंह पे मास्क लगाया तुम लोग भी ऐसे डरते हो। ये लो शाबाश, ये लो फटाफट इसे पी लो, सर्दी उड़न छू।
क्या
ये काढ़ा है थोड़ा सा गाढ़ा लेकिन बहुत असरदार है। लो इसे पी लो, सर्दी उड़न छू लो।
ओके,
जल्दी से पी लो।
ठंडा पीऊं?
ठंडा हो गया? अच्छा घबराओ मत, बच्चा पानी गरम कर दो।
समझ गए जीनी के जीजू।
अरे छींकती रहोगी, पी भी लो।
हाँ।